The ORSKEY dual-lens dashcam offers both front and rear cameras with a super crystal full HD resolution and a 170-degree wide-angle lens to capture every detail on the road. Equipped with a high-quality sensor and F1.8 Aperture 6 elements glass lens, this dashcam excels in providing superior night vision compared to other models. The high-performance CPU and high-end image sensor ensure that the front camera records in Super HD 1920 by 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, capturing all details with exceptional clarity. Featuring premium functions such as loop recording, G-sensor, parking monitoring, motion detection, and HDR, this dual-car camera meets various driving needs and enhances safety. The product comes with a 12-month warranty and includes a 32-gigabyte microSD card, ensuring you have everything you need right out of the box. ORSKEY provides professional customer service ready to assist with any queries, promising a satisfying experience for users of this dashcam.